So yeah guys, so I just want to say thank you for viewing. Look, let me move this a little bit here. Yes, so this is the website that I was working on. So I'm just giving it a little more practice, and see how I go in here. You see how it's looking so far. See how it's looking, and this is how I did it. Yeah, and that's how I did it. So this is just the page, the front page. Now just have to go and learn the SQL now, and then have to go and learn. Well, I done cover Python already, so I'm gonna download the Django one, do through some tutorials on the Django one, go through that. So come on guys, give me a look, give me your comment, show me. I just designed this website, and yeah, it looks pretty okay. Looks pretty okay. It's my website I use, so yeah, so because if you look at it here, I end up putting on the first name, last name, and you see, look, I have this is the processes there that you're unable to drop down and choose names and that kind of process, and job is surname, input surname, and email address, even I need it away. Then I have here, the home, the store, the about, the contacts. Yeah, and then, but I end up, so what I end up doing is that I end up designing this on online, on a photo editing software, and so but it was a website online based one. It was not a downloaded photo editing software. So yeah, but in that case, so I just snapped these papers together, and what I did, when you see the pictures, those were snapped together on the online registration site, and this was installed on the site, on the editing software, right? But this welcome to Cakeland is what I did on the HTML and CSS, right? And even Cassie's Cake. So it look, yeah. So yeah, you see how I did that. Yada yada, right? So I end up involving that in this. So if that one goes to that, what I also did here was even you see the cake, it was a flat picture, so I end up putting a little border around the picture to have it a little some 3D graphics. And there's a lot more I need to learn, but that's what I'm doing for now. I'll do better, so I'll just get on good building this an application. I'm kind of reading a book on artificial intelligence too, so it's all about the think bandwidth and things. So, but what had happened with this when I had it down the same format as the nav tag, as the nav tag? What happened? The whole thing it gets switched. So contacts was over here. Everything was back to front, or inside out, or not inside out, but back to front to back. Home was quite over on contacts. About was on store. Store was about. Yeah. So I just went into the HTML and switched it all about, and so yeah. So you see me here. Fun family, big family. Yeah, so Yeah, this is my HTML, yeah, that I write it up with. Yeah. My HTML and CSS, you know. Yeah, yeah, so, yeah. So, you know, guys, I'm still fighting and kicking and trying my best to do good at this. So, subscribe, follow me for more, leave your comments. Well, I just want you to leave your comments and subscribe so you could get me to do more views and everything and this. So, help a brother out, you know. Anyway, if you like me the way I was talking, I just want to say, leave this up with a little respect. I'm saying thank you for your support, and I'm out.